Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share with you some adorable cards I made using our brand new Coffee Gnomes ephemera. If you love coffee and cute gnomes as much as I do, you're going to love this set. I really had a lot of fun creating these fun coffee gnome cards. If you want to see more coffee inspired creations, head on over to the blog. We are doing a coffee hop. You can win lots of prizes. We're celebrating National Coffee Day with the Coffee Loving Paper Crafters group. So after this video, you'll want to head on over to the blog and go hopping for lots of chances to win fabulous prizes. I also have a coupon code for you to save 10% off your order over at the shop. It's code Coffee Gnomes. That code's going to expire on October 2nd. I decided to go for an assembly line style for these cards. First, I prepped all my card bases to make things super quick and efficient. Next, I cut and embossed the card mats to give them that extra texture and detail. I also cut out ovals and scallop ovals to create a nice backdrop for my cute little gnomes. Towards the bottom half of each card, I tore some strips of pattern paper to add a fun layered look. Then to finish it off, I hot glued a cute little twine bow to each card. I think this card would be great for using up some of your scraps. Since we don't need a giant piece of pattern paper, we only need a little strip, you can dig through your scraps and then tear the pieces like I did and just lay them across the bottom. I think this really looks pretty with the large amount of white space. I think it ties it all in with the white space around the ephemera cut and if you do a sentiment. So I really like how this turned out. What do you guys think? For this project, I used the Coffee on My Mind paper pad, which sadly has already sold out, but no worries, I've got you covered. Our Life Begins After Coffee paper pad matches perfectly with this set, so you can still recreate these cards with a similar look. I hope you'll meet me back tomorrow for release day. Our October holiday products will be releasing at 9 a.m. Central Time. I'm also going to be doing a live release party at 10 a.m. So I hope to see you there. Come hang out with me and chat or craft along. I'll be making some cards, so that should be really fun. I'm going to play a little bit of music while I finish the assembly of the rest of the cards here. So I topped all the cards off with the coffee and cream enamel dots. They just tied everything perfectly together. I hope you enjoyed my process and how I put these adorable coffee gnome cards together. Thanks so much for watching. If you are loving the Coffee Gnomes ephemera or need to stock up on any matching papers, head on over to the shop. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more crafty inspiration. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!